So this platform here is called Poppy AI, and this has been just an absolute game changer for me for writing scripts. So I basically have created these templates for writing certain kinds of scripts. So let's go to like Northern Crimes 2,000 plus word scripts. So when you open this up, it's basically like a storyboard.
Okay.
And so
Yeah.
you have right here, you have like, this is like Chat GPT. So this is where you put your prompts, but you can hook different bits of information up to it. So for example, up here, these are the styles that I want Poppy AI to draw from. So I've got like a screenshot of Northern Crimes. I've got the about section of Northern Crimes. And then I have a couple different videos that I think are kind of what I want the AI to kind of emulate, the style. So that's one group.
Yeah.
The next group down here, these are sources. So these are actual sources that I've put into this group from the internet, and it can read these sources. It can listen to them. It can get transcripts. And then down here, I have another group. These are all PDFs of old newspaper articles that I've found. And so I plug all of this in to the chat.
Wow.
And then I've created essentially a script template. And so here's my prompt. I'll see if I can make this a little bit bigger.
So this stuff's all kind of feeding the AI?
Yes. It's
Wow.
like, it's essentially similar to maybe what an AI agent does, but maybe in a simplified. So, this is a prompt that I use for all my scripts using these groups. So it says, make a new unique script for my channel, Northern Crimes, for my video, XYZ, using the styles from the group video style, which is this group right here. Apply the advice from the group high quality script writing, which is right here, to the script you will write for me. For my video about the XYZ, take the topic specific information from the sources group. So that's down here. And then I can also have it take it from the news group down here. And then I'll basically say, write the full 250 word script, 2,500 word script. And I give it a couple other things. Don't use direct quotes unless absolutely necessary. Create chapter titles that are similar to what you might find on a popular Netflix or HBO true crime series.
Wow.
And so I've essentially trained it. And it will essentially go through here and draw from all of these sources and write it in the prompt that I've trained it to do and spit out these amazing 20-minute scripts, which are usually 80% done on the first go. So something that used to take me
This is
10
wild.
days to do now
is so
takes me
wild.
about an hour and a half.
Damn.
So then I will, sometimes what I'll do is then while I'm in Poppy AI, I'll just basically direct Poppy AI to go through the sources groups and the newspaper groups and to go through each chapter one by one and fact check it off those sources, because I want to put out accurate stuff. Like I'm not going to put out stuff that's not accurate, because these are real stories. And I'm not gonna be one of those people on YouTube that just puts out shit.
Yeah.
So I'll take the time and I'll have it go through chapter by chapter, and it will fact check stuff, and it will say, "Oh, we got this one wrong. Let's go through and fix this." I'll do that. Once I've done that, then I'll take the whole draft and I'll put it into Chat GPT. And I've kind of trained my Chat GPT for my style. And I'll just do the same thing. I'll just go through the whole script, one section by one section, and just polish it, tighten it up. And so I can write like a really good script now in about 3 to 4 hours from beginning to end, which used to take me, like 10 days.
Damn.
So Poppy AI is like, it's mind blowing, dude.
Yeah, I've never even heard of it.
Dude, you should check it out. This is helping a bunch of people create like crazy viral content. It's helping people, this is just how I use it, but people are using this to create these systems to like make amazing like LinkedIn posts, viral LinkedIn posts and viral social media posts. They're creating systems to help them like run their businesses. So it's not cheap. I mean, I think they don't have like a monthly option. Like they just started about a year ago. I got in really early. It's like $700 or $800 a year.
Okay.
But obviously for somebody like me, it
makes
worth
sense.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And like, obviously I'm not giving you like a real in-depth overview of what Poppy AI does, but I wanted to show you this workflow I've created for my scripts. So this is a template that I've made. So every time I want to make a new video, I just change out the sources and put in the new sources. I let Poppy AI know that, hey, we're going to work on a brand new script. I put the new sources in there, and then I update my prompt, and I just go again. And it does it.
Dude, this is nuts. This is like the way you're supposed to use AI. Like it's crazy the amount of time and like just experimentation. It's like, yeah, no wonder the channel's crushing, because like you're actually doing things the right way, like.
Yeah.
I mean, you've put a lot of time into this, man. Like, good for you. Like you deserve everything that's been happening, all the success.
Well, I mean, I mean, my goal is to make $10,000 a month on YouTube, and
you can do it.
Well,
you'll get there.
I'm halfway there, and the reason and the reason is because like I'm putting my daughter through college right now.
Okay.
It's like there's a real reason that I'm working so hard. It's not just because I'm wanting to make money. I mean, I'm just like you or anybody else. I mean, I'm still, like it's a grind.
It's a
like
grind.
I'm not making tons of money. I mean, I'm working for myself and I'm making a living, but, I'm putting a kid through school right now and it ain't cheap.
Yeah. That's wild. You're putting it through college. Good for you.
Well, I am with her mom, and we're all helping to do it. But, like by next year, like I just want to be able to pay for her college, that's kind of as a father, which you're going to be there one day too. I don't know if your kids are going to want to go to school, but my daughter really wants to get a college degree. And, this is like my gift to her.
That's awesome,
this is
dude.
like I don't want my kid to be saddled with $100,000 of debt to get a degree in music, to do something that she really is passionate about. I want her to have the experience of getting to do that and transition into being an adult. And so I'm essentially helping to pay for my daughter's college with a true crime YouTube channel.